Hello world, welcome to the first episode of Tardigrade Tuesday. What is Tardigrade Tuesday, you might ask? Well, it's just something I made up. I've got some tardigrades and I'm going to be posting videos every Tuesday, or as many Tuesdays as I can, about these really cool and seemingly indestructible creatures. So today we're going to be talking about how tardigrades self-quarantine. Ooh, let's go ahead and see. Alright, my friends, this is Jeremy. Jeremy is a tardigrade or water bear, and he is very, very good at self-quarantine. How good, you might ask? Well, some scientists believe that they might be able to go into hibernation for up to 50 years. And they do this by a special mechanism called cryptobiosis. Essentially what this means is that they dry themselves out completely, they rid themselves of all the water in their bodies, and so they're basically just kind of a shell of their former selves. This is Jeremy under the bright field microscope. Now some of you might be asking, what kind of things can Jeremy withstand while he is under quarantine? Well, that is a great question. Jeremy can handle freezing temperatures, or even boiling temperatures, or even the vacuum of space. So, if you want to be good at your quarantine, take notes from Jeremy. You might need to dry yourselves out a little bit and slow your metabolism down to basically zero, but I think the results in the end will be totally worth it. Oh, who do we have here? Oh, it looks like it's my friend Isabel. Isabel is another tardigrade. Let's go ahead and zoom in and see what she's up to. Isabel here has over 50 children, and she doesn't have any steady income. How does she survive, you might ask? Well, these tardigrades are amazing at withstanding incredible pressures. Some might say that they could even handle the pressure 6 times greater than the pressures of the deepest parts of the ocean. So, yeah. I guess that can help them survive in tough situations. They basically just suck the juice out of algae. That's how they live. Nothing too special. It's kind of like veggie smoothies all the time. So, yeah, I don't know if I could do that. Look what we have here! We've got a father and son experience. This tardigrade is teaching its other tardigrade how to eat food. Probably. Alright, well, thanks for joining me on this episode of Tardigrade Tuesday. Join me next week where we learn a bunch of more awesome facts about these incredible guys and get into the lives of these wonderful individuals. Anyway, good luck on your guys' quarantine and have a wonderful day.